Hello viewers. After success of my first video series and getting a lot of positive feedback, I am all energized to start an even bigger series this time. In case you have not seen my first video series on Basic 7 Quality Tools, watch it by clicking on I button or go to description. This time we will learn about manufacturing. This series is for all those who works or wants to work in manufacturing industry and want to learn about history, evolution and new age tools of it. Starting with what I have for you in this series, we will take up basics of manufacturing and its evolution across ages, definitely with help of examples. Then we will understand what is manufacturing process and manufacturing system. Next will be coverage of automotive industry, largest manufacturing industry by revenue and workforce. Also because this industry is pioneer of lean manufacturing, which is our next topic. We will also cover wastes of lean manufacturing, which would help every employee of every segment. Lastly, we will cover in detail 25 tools of lean manufacturing. These tools have shaped the industry as we know it, and it is imperative for every professional to learn them. So, subscribe to my channel and get the latest update to watch this series till end. So, let's start with basics and evolution of manufacturing. The word manufacturing has originated from Latin language and dates back to mid 16th century. It has come from combination of two words, manus and facere, which mean hand and to make. Both combine to make manufactures, means made by hand. From manufactures comes manufacturing. Back in 16th century, machines were not that prevalent and hands were used to make stuff. Hence, word is driven from hand. Again, word factory is also derived from obsolete word manufactory. With advent of machines, manu was asked to leave. Next, to define manufacturing in most general sense or layman language, it is conversion of stuff into things. Going a bit more concise, Collins Dictionary define manufacturing as processing or making a product from raw materials, especially as a large-scale operations using machinery. In further modern context, it is the making of products from raw material using various processes, equipments, operations and manpower according to a detailed plan that is cost effective and generate income through sales. Manufacturing is also a form of business that uses components, parts or raw material to make a finished good. These finished goods can be sold directly to consumers or to other manufacturing businesses that use them for making a different product. Hope you got the theme well. Moving ahead with evolution of manufacturing, to create and manufacture is part of human's basic nature. Evidences of human manufacturing go way back to prehistoric Stone Age, continuously evolving with each age. Weapons and clothing of humans have evolved, tools have evolved, and home has evolved with evolving manufacturing skills. To give you a much better view, manufacturing dates back to prehistoric age, which started before recorded 10,000 BC and ended somewhere near to 500 BC, more than 2500 years ago. Prehistoric age was further divided in three ages: Stone Age, Bronze Age, and Iron Age. Hope you have heard of them. These ages were named based on the evolution of manufacturing. In Stone Age, humans started making tools with stones, and when they made fire from stones and came to learning that certain metals like bronze can be heated and crafted as much durable and stronger tools, Bronze Age was started. Continuing to build bigger fire in developed furnace, human discovered iron and melted it to make harder, sharper, heavier and much more useful tools. This led to Iron Age. Here is a glimpse of tools to show you evolution of manufacturing we are learning about. Next evolution of history and manufacturing occurred in Middle Ages. 2000 years of Middle Ages were divided in three stages as well. And in this age, humans developed wheels to help them travel and use their developed tools for domination on other lands. Wheels helped humans with faster transportation, better irrigation, and also with first form of machines. In these Middle Ages only, another big discovery was gunpowder. Tools of iron, wheels of movement, fire of various forms, and then gunpowder. made human thirsty of power and gain lands of other by warfare and domination. Distances via both land and water were reduced to this thirst, and for this reason, this developed age was also called Dark Age. Then came the modern age, our present world. It has been more than 500 years only, but human has evolved 1,000 times more in these years than he has since beginning of time. Modern age, like its predecessor, is also divided in three sects: early, late, and contemporary modern age. It is in this age human discovered the engine and speed up the evolution on unprecedented rates. This engine helped human to clear boundaries of Earth's gravitation and reach to Moon, Mars, and far. Transport has become faster and its reach has gone to every individual. Weapons of destruction have also evolved to become population sweepers. We today live in a world of toxic chemical warfare where weapons are not even visible. Another invention of this modern age is computer. It has evolved so fast that its speed have started to leave human behind. After advent of internet, it has now become the primary dependency of human survival. It has reached from being only for super riches to in hand of everyone. Presently, next evolution of computer is already happening as quantum computing. I hope you have understood fine by now that evolution of manufacturing is nothing but evolution of mankind. That was the reason for me to start the series to make you aware of it. Hope you liked the video. To know more, subscribe to my channel and get regular updates. Like and share this video. Stay tuned for more content to come. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.